Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel again. Today, our topic is different between 2D and 3D. So let's talk about it. So, what is 2D graphic? 2D graphics exist exclusively on a flat plane, defined solely by height and width. They lack the dimension of depth, creating a distinctly flat, often charming aesthetic. So let's understand some examples. Classic cartoons. Think of timeless classic like early Mickey Mouse animation or traditional hand-drawn cartoons. Retro games. Many iconic retro video games, such as early platformers, relied entirely on 2D architecture. Logos and icon. 2D is the foundation of for most logos, infographics, and user interface icon due to its clarity and simplicity. They are generally simpler and more efficient to create, often processing a unique artistic charm that continues to resonate across various media. So let's now understand what is 3D graphics. 3D graphics introduce the crucial element of depth, transforming flat image into volumetric objects that can be viewed and manipulated from multiple angles, creating truly impressive experiences. Unlike their 2D counterparts, 3D models possess volume, allowing for realistic lighting, shadows, and textures. Their these complex visuals are generated using sophisticated software that simulates the physics of light and material properties, bringing virtual world to life. You will encounter 3D graphics in modern blockbuster films like Avatar, impressive video games such as The Last of Us, architecture visualization, and product design. So let's understand key difference between 2D and 3D graphics. So key difference includes depth, lighting, and shadow. The code distinction between 2D and 3D graphics lie in how they handle special spatial representation and environmental interaction. So depth, flat versus volumetric. 2D, purely flat, existing on x and y axis without perceived thickness. 3D, processes two volume occupy space along x, y, and z axis, allowing for rotation and perpex- perspective changes. Lighting, simulated versus dynamic. 2D achieves an illusion of light and shadows through manual shading and highlighting, which are static elements. 3D employs realistic light sources that dynamically interact with surfaces, casting accurate reflections and refractions based on the material properties. And you can read more on the slide again. So let's talk about next real life examples like cartoon, games, and movies. Both 2D and 3D have curved out distinct niches in entertainment and media, each offering unique strengths and continuing to captivate audience worldwide. So 2D applications like classic Disney films like Snow White, popular mobile games such as Angry Bird, styled animation logos and web graphics. 3D application like blockbuster animated films like Frozen and Avatar, impressive video games like Elden Ring, cutting edge virtual augmented reality expression. You can explore more examples like that for 2D and 3D. I have shown some pictures for that. Thank you for this video. We will talk on more about in next video. Thank you.